Hi garden friends, so today I'll be making a small arrangement in this cute little pot, and I think this is like a corgi. Looks like a corgi to me. And I purchased this little pot that has a drainage hole actually at Daiso. Got very lucky when I found this one, and I'll show you the plants that I have for it. I have a beautiful Graptopetalum Paraguayense. Beautiful plant. You see that blue? Oh, it is so gorgeous. I love it. And these are mostly cuttings that have been hanging out. So I'm just kind of using them up. And this one is a Sedum Clavatum. And you can see the margins there are turning red. Isn't that precious? I also have an Echeveria azulita. Check that out. And it is slightly stressed as well. You can see the little margins on the leaves. So it's a beautiful blue with red. Oh, that is just gorgeous. I also have a Graptosedum Vera Higgins, but this one hasn't received much sun. So it's not as bronzy as it should be, or as pink. I also have a Sedum Jelly Bean plant. This is a fun one. Oh, so cute and chubby. And this one is completely stressed, as you can see. It's super pink. This is a Sedeveria Letizia. Look how green that is. It's like a lime green. Oh, I love it. And I have an Echeveria Violet Queen to add some pink to the arrangement. And this one doesn't even have a stem, but it is growing some roots there. And it's all grown like it's closing up basically. It needs some water. That is a sign that it needs water. This one is a Kalanchoe Lavender Scallops. And this is a cutting from a mother plant that I have in my front yard. Isn't that just gorgeous? See how pink that is? Oh, I love it. And to add some fun and a trailing effect or cascading effect, this is Senecio Rowleyanus, and also known as String of Pearls. And I have two little cuttings here that I'll be putting together. And I'm going to get started. And since this already has a drainage hole, I won't have to drill one in there. And I'll put some soil in there all the way to the top. And this soil here is just regular potting mix with perlite. And it's equal parts of the potting soil and the perlite. And I kind of just measure it by the handful. You can always use a measuring cup. And this one and this soil here, I sprayed it a little with water because it was like bone dry. So when I spray it with water, it's a little more, you can play with it a little better. It won't like blow away or anything. And the wells will be easier to make. All right. So I will start with my beautiful Kalanchoe here. And I'll place this like right there, I think. That'll look cute. And I'll go on. So I start with my bigger plants most of the time. And I go on from there. Place this cute sedum right over there. And I don't know if I'm going to, be able to fit them all. And I'm not. I can already tell. But before I move forward with any other plant, I do want to incorporate my Senecio. So what I do is I grab the cutting by the root. And I get the other cutting by the root. And I kind of arrange them how I want them to look. So this one more towards the bottom, just like that. And I use a knitting needle. And before I put this one in, I should tuck these in. And what I'm going to do is just tuck those roots right into the soil. Just like that. And I'm just going to tug those roots gently to not break them off. And really bury them under there. And I'm even going to add more soil. Oops, that didn't work. But let me have my soil ready here. And kind of bury this one all over again. So I'm going to hold it with my knitting needle. I'm going to hold the roots. And with my finger there, you see how I'm holding the Senecio at the top there. And now I'm going to just shuffle some soil there so it can kind of settle down or anchor it down. And I'm going to grab more soil. There we go. I'm going to kind of put it towards the side there, towards the head of the little corgi. And I will show you a different angle just so you can see how it looks in the end. I'm going to put more soil in here. Maybe all the soil that I've got. There we go. There we go, all the way to the top. Perfect. See, for me, the smaller arrangements are a lot more challenging than the bigger ones, as you can see. So I'll move this little jelly bean down to this side. And I will put a sedum right on top of those string of pearls there. And in the center, I will put the lime green, because it's just so bright. I'll put that lime green Letizia. And I'm tucking in the roots there. I'm going to move on to the Graptopetalum. I can't leave it behind. I have to somehow fit it in because it's just so beautiful. I love these succulents here. And they're so easy to propagate. I mean, it's just a gem, for sure. And now I'm going to move on to the Vera Higgins, and I'm going to tuck it right in. And now I have this little space here. Uh-oh. I need like tiny little plants for that. And let's see, do I have any? No, not really. Let me check real fast. The only super small ones that I do have that'll fit right in, I have this pretty Aeonium pinwheel. And I'll put that one in here, right in there. And I don't want to squeeze my Sedeveria there. So I have a pinwheel. Let me adjust the sedum here because it is suffering a little. So I'll do the pinwheel right there. And I have beautiful Portulacaria. And this is Portulacaria Afra. This is Variegata, so it is variegated. It's not like the normal green one. This is also known as rainbow bush or elephant bush. And I'm going to just tuck that one right in there. Lifting that Letizia up. And I think that I am done with this cute little arrangement. Oh my goodness, how cute. So they didn't make it. The Violet Queen or the Azulita, what a shame. I'm going to clean up real fast. Clean up, clean up. All right, and I'll show you how it looks from the front here, see if it makes any difference. But oh, I think that just came out so cute. I'm going to give it a little clean up here. Dust off some of these succulents. Make sure they don't come off. Gotta be so gentle. There it is. Oh, isn't that just adorable with the Senecio hanging down right there by the little face? Oh, I love it. Really like how this came out. I'm going to show you a bit of more of a close-up there. And these will eventually root. I'll give them a month before they like completely root in there. And I will water this immediately. Give it a good nice little watering. And before I water it again, I will check it with a moisture meter and see if it actually does need to be watered. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This cute little mini garden planter. And until next time, bye, garden friends.